The screen doors are back on, the moose are out at dusk, and somewhere in Aroostook County, a maypole is going up, just like it has every June since 1871. That's the kind of place this is. This month's monthly connection is full of stories that remind us why Maine is unlike anywhere else. We're talking about a Swedish colony that has been celebrating midsummer longer than Sweden has, and doing it better. We're talking about the man born on the Maine frontier who went on to create America's first weather vane, the one that still turns above Faneuil Hall today. We also have a moose safari, and yes, I may have some personal experience with that one. On the market side, we're taking an honest look at interest rates, where they are, where they're heading, and what that actually means if you're thinking about buying or selling, along with the latest sales statistics. Spoiler, the data might surprise you. It's all in this month's issue. Flip through, share it with someone who loves Maine, and as always, I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.